walking on the way to Torrey Pines Trail, and I saw some pretty cool photography ideas I would like to share. And so let's see it in person. This is one of my favorite aspects of photography, is capturing the moment, documenting life the way it is right now in November. You can come back in a week or even by tomorrow, and some of these formations may not even be here. And some of it is, I mean, just the natural factors of the wind. Sometimes I've seen kids knocking these over. But at this moment in time, right now, we're able to share this and enjoy this moment that this artist saw this and was able to express himself through these rock formations. He has a few back here too, about 15 to 20 feet of them, but it's pretty awesome.